Hello, everyone. I'm just going to make a brief recording to kind of summarize what we did today because some of you were absent in the class and some of you missed Tuesday's class. So just kind of go over what we covered this week so you can catch up if you missed and also refresh your memory if you forgot. So, what we did this week was just kind of get started, and I went through some of the information here and also about the course learning outcomes. You can click on any of these and read at your leisure. And then I want to point out in the syllabus, um, probably not here, but my office hours are indicated. As I said in the class, I'm available to meet with you outside of the class on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11:15 to 12:15, and I showed you how to sign up for office hours. So all you have to do is, I'll show you at the end how to do that, and I did show in the class today. So this week we started the unit on carbon footprint, and today in class I went through the vocabulary, went through the meaning of these words. So if you were not here, make sure you learn the meanings. And you had to participate in this discussion, and I saw that a bunch of you had already done that. So make sure you respond to two other people from the class. Only then you will get full credit for this assignments. Okay, so what did we do in class today? We talked about the effective strategies and also about using symbols and abbreviations for note taking. And we did some note taking practice. So this is what we did. We went here, we looked at these sentences here, and we used what is called a Jamboard, and you can try it at home too. So if you click on this, it takes you here, and we can all see what we do. So you can use the sticky note and type your notes here. So let's see. If the sentence is ESL students represent different cultures, different languages, they contribute to the diversity of the college. So I could go here and say ESL students equal different lang plus diff country, okay, and contribute to diversity. So if I save it, it'll show up here, okay? So you see this? It comes up here, and all of us can see. You can try this, or you can practice it with a note book and paper. And what I would like you to do, if you were not in class, then go and click on this, listen to each sentence, and try to take notes. And that's the way to practice for note taking. Use abbreviations and symbols. Symbols are mathematical symbols like equal to, plus. And abbreviations are like, instead of saying Pennsylvania, you say PA. Okay? One assignment that is due today is this. You click on it, you listen to this video, and very briefly, maybe like a minute, just record what you understand carbon footprint to be. And you can either record it using the Canvas thing, or you can record it on your computer, save it, and submit it. So I showed you how to do that. And if you're not sure about how to submit assignments, then I would say click on this and go through this, which will help you to understand how to navigate Canvas. Okay? And the other thing we listened to was this video on how to do note taking as an outline method. Okay? And then the homework for the week before Sunday is these two things you have to submit. So first, listen to this video. All right? It is what is carbon footprint, and it also tells you how you can reduce yours. Listen, take notes. You don't have to submit anything, but bring it to class. and we will be using Jamboard to review it. Then you go here and read this short article by clicking on this. Read the article, try to understand what it tells you about carbon footprint, and then record a speech explaining in your own words what you understand carbon footprint to be. Remember, this is a little bit longer and different from what you're going to submit for me today. So it's going to be about what is carbon footprint and also about how you can reduce it. But more importantly, it's going to be a little bit longer, minimum of 3 minutes, maximum of 5 minutes. And you're going to explain in very, very simple language what carbon footprint is. Imagine you're talking to somebody who does not know anything about carbon footprint. Okay? Then the last one you have to submit is the discussion. And in this, you're going to answer this question. One aspect of your carbon footprint. What do you do to reduce carbon footprint already? And what else can you do? And if you are not doing anything, no need to worry. Just say maybe in the future, this is what I'm going to do. So reply, and you can see people have already posted. You can reply to this student and say, yeah, I agree with you. This is what I'm going to do also. So that's pretty much what we have covered in week 1. So if you were not in class, try to catch up and don't fall behind because it's a very short kind of week. Okay?